Hi, everybody. Welcome to week 2 and module 2 of ethical leadership and organizational behavior. I just finished viewing all of your introductions, so thank you for doing that and letting us see you in person and learn a little bit about you. This week, we're going to be taking a look at understanding people at work. So the module here has you reading chapters 3 and 4 of your textbook. By the end of the module, you'll be able to evaluate ways that organizations influence attitudes and behaviors, develop a plan for improving your own fit, and examine the ways your life history has influenced your values. So this week we're going to do the same process as last week. So you have some chapters to read from the textbook. You have some materials to help you think about your response to the journal prompt. So this week we're looking at leading as your true authentic self. So there are some articles and a video. You'll participate in a discussion board, do a written assignment, and then complete your journal. So the discussion this week is your organization a best place to work. So you may see these lists all the time. Locally, organizations that are on the list like to publicize that, and I hope that you all work in an organization that at some point is the best place to work. So your discussion here is to share with others your current situation about attitudes, behaviors, and best places to work. So again, post your initial response on Wednesday and respond to at least 2 other posts by the end of the week. Your individual written assignment here is to think about your own person-organization fit. So there is an activity attached, Catch Your Dreams, for you to do individually to help you identify and maybe dreams and goals that you didn't think about for the rest of your life. So 1 is just a reflection on and a response to doing that activity. 2 asks you about your values, and then how do the dream categories align, fail to align. And then 3 is really the focus on fit. So what is your current job person fit, and what is your current fit with your organization? And then, what actions will you take based on your experience with these assignments? Then your journal this week is on embracing a true authentic self. And so as part of the process of thinking about this journal principle, I would ask you to draw your life story and talk about how this comes from a book by Bill George called True North, Discovering Your True North. So it's all about being true to yourself. And then answer some questions. You don't have to give me the drawing. Tell me about the main influences in your life, the main experiences, difficult challenges you've faced so far, how you might turn those challenges into an opportunity, how your life experience shape your values, and how well, basically the principle, are you living your values and embracing your true authentic self. So that's it for this week. Again, we're moving quickly. We've only got 7 weeks instead of 8, so be sure you keep up. Let me know if you have any questions. I look forward to reading your responses. Okay, a little problem here. Turning off. There it is. No.